Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic Copilot. So grab a seat, hit the bell icon, and let's get started. So you have to visit to the messenger option. After visiting to the messenger option, you will get the Copilot option. So what is the Copilot? The Copilot is a AI assistant in the Bitrix24 where you can discuss your ideas and you can create the text and correct something you want to write. So you can just click on the plus icon and here the list would become in front of you. You can select according to your list, like my roles, recommended, expert AI roles. So you can ask your question through AI, the question that you want to ask, like I want to ask how to properly write a business letter. So I just click on this. So the Copilot is typing and he will give you the answer in the points like this. So you can ask any question you want. So like this you can use your Copilot according to your need in the messenger option. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below and I will see you in the next one.